450. Just asked me what RPM it's supposed to be running at. So I'm guessing he's losing power. Something's up with that. There it goes. Let's tear down! Listen to the RPMs, how slow they are to come up. Alright, we'll go in here. Codes. Active, none. Stored, none. Alright. Diagnostic, live data, pressures, fuel rail. Engine speeds, RPM. Okay, so here's what we know. All of the fuel lines have been blown out, cleaned out from the tank. Has all new filters on it, and this is still what we're getting. So the only thing that me and John Deere can come up with is that it needs a new high pressure fuel pump. So that's what we're about to change. Yes, success. And an O-ring. There's the pump, you little devil. All right. I got one more harness right here I couldn't get to come off while it was up in there. There we go. Got it now. Just gonna pull this timing gear. All right, if the camera or the picture quality changes, it's because I had to swap cameras, and I'm back on my old reliable Hero session. So I can't see, because of the type camera it is, I can't see what you people are seeing on the screen. to tell me if I got this right or not. So we're just gonna hope y'all can see. But there's our gear going back on. I'm gonna scooch that back down on there just a second. As soon as I get my, let's see, yeah, this one. Went right there. And that's where I went wrong before. I didn't have to take this part apart. As far as taking the 2 bolts out of the pump, I didn't have to do that. I could have just pulled the those 3 nuts off of the back side of the case, so because your timing gear comes out the back. I didn't see that, so that's part of it. And I don't have a shop manual with me, so we're just kind of winging this. Pretty straightforward, really. Snug all this up out here on the bench. What did I do with? There it is. Every time I go to work and get on over during the day, and I look down and I'm still clean, I start worrying, because I know something is fixing to break somewhere. All right. Torqued it. while I was assembling on this thing, I'll tell y'all, when I first cranked it up there, I was worried that I hadn't done anything good other than give John Deere a couple grand. But after I got out and ran it and got it to operating temp, it was evident that we had solved the problem. Come on, Pookie. There we go. So that's a good feeling. Not the part about giving John Deere 2 grand, but the other part about the tractor's fixed, and it was only down half a day, so little victories. There's all that. Hey, don't forget, comment, subscribe, like it, hang out with us some more. All kind of cool stuff coming your way. This winter, we got a couple of Ford 3000s. Well, a Ford 3000 and then a 3600. The 3600, I'm gonna rebuild the power steering, the steering column in it, and the 3000 is the one I'll put a link card up there. That's the one that I changed the injection pump on. Got to rebuild the injectors in it. So y'all stick around. We'll do some more stuff on those old Ford tractors too. Thanks for watching. See ya.